Today's date is 15/6/22. Right. Anybody new to the class today? Raise your hands. Right. Okay. Look here. I conducted three demo classes. Today is Wednesday, I think. Tuesday, one demo. Saturday, Sunday, no class. And Friday, Saturday, I conducted total 3 demos I conducted. The demos are small informations are available. I'll repeat in outline format once about the course and demo. 5-10 minutes last day. Okay, right. After that, today we had a lot of work already. So I'm starting the syllabus part. So daily I cannot sit on a demo concept because time will be wasted for me. Part of course curriculum because biggest course available for us. So I cannot drag the sessions. Got it right? So in that process, strictly I completed my demo in 3 sessions. Small sessions. Any newcomers are there? Need not worry. I said yesterday, 9 video recordings are available to you. First 9 recordings will be given as a backup to you. Got it right? And soft copy of notes also will come. But it will not happen on a sudden. Sir, today I came, sir, today evening only I want it means not possible. So because contact is not available with you, so your details are not still recorded. Because of this reason, we take some time to give that videos and soft copies, the direct forward information to you, right? So meanwhile, online students especially, your queries will not be answered in the middle. That point to be noted, all online students. This batch is running in the mode of online and offline mode is available. So in that process, we cannot stop the flow of the class and speak to you. We'll speak to the online students in the last 10-15 minutes. We are going to speak to you. Got it right? Meanwhile, any queries are there, you have to keep your queries with you. Last, you have to put a message to me. I am going to speak to online students. General common queries, I'll speak it. General student, general. Somebody is speaking and you are speaking more than me. Right. Look here. General common queries is nothing but student will be in the confusion state generally. Because new area, new pattern, new course. It's not a graduation class, no. Career class. When the career class is there, clarities must be there with you. What is happening? The first statement is nothing but this batch belongs to core Java and full stack Java. If anybody want full stack Java developer, I want to become a full stack Java developer. You have to take full stack Java as a course. Full stack Java means full stack Java includes core Java, advanced Java, Spring, web service, databases, UI technologies, testing components, DevSecOps. All modules are included as a common course known as full stack Java. That's the meaning. Many people are confused with that title. Full stack Java means all courses you are taking as a single batch, that you are calling it as full stack Java. In Naresh IT, that full stack Java batches are aligned with one body known as NASSCOM, National Association of Software and Service Companies. One body is there, organized by Government of India. So our course is aligned to that body. What is the advantage means? We'll get a certificate from that NASSCOM. We'll get one co-branded certificate will be issued. Once you take the registration into full stack Java, you'll get a certificate from the NASSCOM. Sir, what is the benefit of that certificate now? The certificate is valid for all the IT companies. You can show it. That's a major advantage. And full stack Java course will have 100% placement is available. 100% placement program is available. 100% placement program means, sir, I registered myself into batch, sir. Today I came, sir. Again, I am coming on the last day, sir. Where is my 100% placement? That is not possible, Andy. You have to clear the test. Whenever you want to take a 100% placement, you have to clear the test. The test is conducted on technical based on core Java, advanced Java, and Oracle. If we clear the test freely, 100% recruitment is available to you. That's the point. Certificate will be issued, and that examination separate, certificate issuing separate. Certificates will come once you registered. Sir, today I came and pay the fee, sir. Again, after 5 months, I'll come, sir. On that day, your course will be completed. No, sir. Can I take a certificate? Means you can take and go. But in meanwhile, if you want to take 100% placement assistance program from management, you have to clear the test. For that, some norms will be there, process will be there. When the examination comes, we are going to explain to you very clearly. That's the point. So finally, full stack Java includes all the courses under it, like core Java, advanced Java, Spring, web service, database module, UI module, testing module, and tools module. All together, we call it as a full stack Java. Duration, it may take 5 months to 6 months. So full stack Java duration may take from 5 months to 6 months. Sir, I want to cover bit early, 3.5 months to 4 months. Somebody asked one query to me. It is possible by attending more than one session parallelly, 3-4 hours, 3-4 sessions per day, means 8 hours per day. Attending UI technology, attending DB module, attending testing, attending programming module. Like this, if you attend it, you can cover the time bit early if time is there. That all schedules I'll give to you when course has been started. 100% placement is there, certificate is available, and the project is included for full stack. So these are the highlight points of your full stack Java course. If I completed full stack Java, how I should update in my resume, sir, means you are searching for full stack Java developer. Your role is full stack Java developer. Full stack Java developer means all rounder in the project. We call it as a full stack Java developer. That's a course. Sir, what about core Java means? Core Java means only one small part of full stack, actually. One small part of full stack. We call it as core Java. Some people will take only core Java, maybe core Java to Selenium, core Java to Android, core Java to any other related or dependent technology. You are going to make a journey. So in that way, you can take only core Java. Some people asked second year engineering, third year engineering. You had many options are available to you. You can take only core Java, complete it, practice it. Whenever you find time again, come and go with advanced practice and do one mini projects for your colleges. Then after that, you can go for placements. You had plenty of time. Who completed their graduation, for them pressure will be there. Because who completed within 3-4 months, August will come. If we cross the August, immediately October will come. If we cross October, February will come. 1 year gap will come if you waste the time. So their pressure will be very high for the who completed graduations. So such students, we suggest to go with full stack Java, so that in that 6 months or 7 months, You can update the certificate. What you done in this 1 year means you can show that certificate. I took the certificate from NASSCOM. Logo is from Government of India. You can submit it. That's the points. So this is the pattern we had it. So our batch timing is 7:30 normally because of rush is going on. 7:30 to 9:10 the batch runs. Okay, right? So my pattern is I'll take one concept daily. I'll explain that concept bit clearly. What are the approaches available from my side? I will try it. I'll explain that and deliver to you. After that, I'll take the queries from the students. After completion, the process will be repeated daily. I made a statement yesterday. My notes will come directly to you. Soft copy will come on the daily basis. Not now, maybe from the next week then. After 2 days, they'll start finalizing the batches. Once the batch has been finalized, your details will be available with management. Phone number and mail ID and name. The contacts, they will take it. Through that contacts, daily you will get a soft copy from my class. Whatever I deliver here, the soft copy will be available with you. Somebody is asking video recordings generally. Management will not give video recordings after 10 days. Or I'm absent for 5 days, sir. I'm absent for 3 days, sir. Means in the career oriented, you must be committed. Actually, career oriented, no, this one. Here 5 days I missed it means I don't know why you'll miss it. Career oriented. Already the situations has been completed, no? In the graduation study that all things has been completed. You cannot repeat in our areas, no, not possible. So we feel that the student is self-motivated here. We feel that student is interested sitting here. We feel that he is committed towards to walk into one company. We feel it. Because of this reason, management will not give the recordings out. Frankly, I'm speaking out. Very clearly, I'm saying to you, after 10 recordings, they will not give any recording out, but they will send my all soft copies to you. Clear, everyone? All soft copies will be given to you. Recording will not come out. If you want to contact management directly with your contacts, you can go and get it. According to faculty information from my side, my videos will not come out after 10 days. Clear, right? Because that questions I'm getting more yesterday. So I repeated that point very clearly. Clear, right? So in that process, 3 demos I conducted. Demo 1, what core Java contains. Demo 2, what advanced Java contains. Yesterday, level 1, level 2, level 3, language, technology, framework. There's a general discussion, we made it. And today I'm entering into syllabus part. Very clearly, from today, every day is very important for us. So recordings, practicing, readings, whatever you want to start it, you have to start from today. That's called, I made a title as a syllabus. So students should know, no, Venkatesh sir has been started the syllabus. You must know it because I made a statement as I'm starting the syllabus part. I'll scroll up what has been happened in day 1. This is, and this is day 2. This is day 2. Where is this day 2? This is day 2. And yesterday it is day 3. This recording, they'll come to you very clearly to you. So on the day 1, what core Java contains normally. In that slide, I kept it. Full stack Java contains 5 modules. Anyway, the names I given there, what modules are available to you. I given a timer here. So it takes almost 5.5 months to 6 months it takes. And your role is full stack Java developer role. After completing this course, you can say, I am applying for full stack Java developer role. Okay, right? So Java, core Java will take almost 55 to 60 sessions it takes. biggest course available in core. That also I written maximum times I'm writing, right? So these are the fee structures where your management kept one message to me. This and general introduction I made to core in advance. Core contains some alphabets, concepts, and features. And advanced Java yesterday. Through core Java, we can develop standalone applications. And advanced Java contains 3 technologies. And through advanced Java, we develop web applications generally. And JDBC, Servlet, and JSP. I given one small diagrammatical form. And day 3, I took one FAQ yesterday. Based on that FAQ, I executed one class. And finally, we had 3 levels. You are sitting in level 1, that is core Java, where standalone application development is available here. After that, we are moving the student to advanced Java. Advanced Java means web application development. And level 3 is framework, that is Spring. And web services are available. I shown outline. The reason this Saturday we had repetition. Anyway, 1 or 2 students will come by tomorrow also. That 3 classes will be repeated once again to you on Saturday. Got it right? Can I go forward now for today's class? Okay, right. So the remaining queries I'll answer in the last. About remaining queries, need not worry, Andy. Everything has a solution in the market. Except subject. Learn the subject, remaining all will come. Subject not there, many people are worried in this market because we check them, we see them. Many people, we see them. Subject not there means survival will not be there. So you focus on the subject, remaining all solutions are available. Directly, indirectly, somewhere we counsel it and we'll give the way to the student, need not worry. So we are not new to the market, and I am starting 133 batch in core Java. I am not a single batch trainer. I am not a single batch trainer to stand in front of you. So almost 132 batches I released in core Java from Naresh IT. So definitely we know where to put what. So definitely we ordered and came and standing in front of you very confidently. So remaining all will have a solutions, need not worry. So we are entering into syllabus part. The title what I taken here is Writing Java Program, Saving Java Program, Compiling Java Program, Executing Java Program. I took a title. That's the first title I took it. Sir, I don't know C language, sir. Today I came to your room. Suddenly you are writing one Java program. Generally, students will ask this question only. But students don't know one point. If he learn and come, if he learn one C language and come here also, Venkatesh sir don't know C language, no? Because I will not write C program, I will not speak in C language. I'll speak in English language. Whenever you want to sit in this room, you must know English language, not C language. Very straightforward point I'm giving to you. Sir, I am very confident in writing C language. Can you write Java program and then? Can you write one Java program then? Not possible. Why it is not possible? Sir, grammar different, no sir. That only we are speaking in the market. Don't take the support of other languages to enter into another language room. Not needed. Don't take the support of one language to enter into another language room. Not needed. Sir, because all languages will have its own grammar. All languages will have its own alphabet. All languages will have its own construction rule. My area will have its own construction rule. This is my room, Java room. My Java syntax will be there. My Java grammar will be there. My Java alphabet will be there. C pointers are not available in my room. C files are not available in my room. C static allocation is not available in my room. So that concepts are not available in my room. Then why to pick C language and come here? All of you understood the statement what I made to you, right? So whenever you want to learn one language, learn it. That can be any language. Go and sit in Python and start it. Go and sit in C language and start it. Go and sit in C++ and start it. Come and sit in Java and start it. One language, no this one. So where the language starts, alphabets. I am starting with the alphabets. I am a language trainer. I must start with the alphabets. Understood now? So after learning alphabet, after learning grammar, after learning construction rule, you must write one program only, no? At last, you must write one program or not now. Example, I learned alphabets in English. After learning alphabets in English, bringing all the alphabets as a words and bringing all words as a sentence. What is the output now? Sir, writing one good grammatical sentence in English. In core Java, writing one program without error. That's the ultimate target or not now? Now I am going to train how to write and run. That's my concept. Understood this point now? So where the definition starts means define program. Start it. The syllabus starts with define program. If anybody don't know C language, don't put that remark in your mind and travel. And if you have a time, go and learn C language. That is separate, this is separate. Sir, I don't know C language. Can I come? That all not there. And Venkatesh sir only don't know C language. I forget it. My engineering completed 22 years back. I completed 22 years back. I completed my BTech CSE. On that day, C language, now I forget it. What is happening to me now? Nothing, no. Already 90 to 80 batches in my advanced Java and 130 batches in core Java. I'm happy only, no. Difference you're getting or not now? So don't carry any syntaxes and grammar from other languages to this room. This room is independent where we are going to start with alphabets and we are going to train a student how to write a program that I'm starting. Define program, make it. The set of instructions. The set of instructions is a program. The set of instructions is a program. Set of instructions is a program. Underline set of instructions. Define programming. Define programming. Programming, right? Look here. Programming means the process used to construct program is known as programming. One technique must be there, no? Many people will miss that only. Sir, I don't know, sir, how to write a program. Many complaints will come to us. So one process will be there. I will train that process. You have to catch it. If we catch that, nothing is there. Right? We have to catch that from us. We trainers are the live class trainers. Anyway, live codes will be there. No copy paste is available from our trainers. Everything will be deep. We'll write it. We'll produce the code in front of you till the ending. You have to observe it. What process we are using. The process used to construct the program is known as programming. Make it. The process used to construct program is known as programming. Is known as programming. Note. N-O-T note. Right. Look here. Generally, our trainings are POC training, we say. We say POC training. Point of concept. Right? We'll give one concept to you. We'll give one concept to you. So directly one point of concept means what we have to do. One concept will be given. On that concept, we analyze something. What inputs, what outputs, what any operations are there, we analyze. We have to keep them in one order. That's called design. Design means flow. Where it has to be taken, where it has to come, where it has to be stored, and from where I am collecting, and what data I am taking, and I am converting or not, like this. That flow will be drawn. One small diagram. Using that analysis and design, we people will get one spark in the mind. One idea will come. One small idea will come. It's a great work, and you must practice it. Sir, reading and producing over that all completed. Using this analysis and design, one spark will come in the mind. Okay, sir. I feel that I must do like this. One spark will come. Right? That's called imagination. One imagination will come. Sir, I want to convert that imagination into code form. You must convert it or not now. I must convert that imagination to code form. Whenever I want to convert into code form, I need one language, sir. I need one language. To convert that imagination into code form, I need one language. C language or C++ or Python or Java, any language. Imagination is common. Human being getting one imagination is common. You have to convert that imagination to code form, no? You need one language. Hope you selected Java as a language. Hope you selected Java as a language. Understood now? Sir, train me the rules of Java. Means using that Java language, you will write it. One code will come. Understood this point? One code. While you are writing, you'll use a grammar. Definitely writing means grammar will be there, no? Right? That grammar, I will train it. When you are writing alphabet needed, no? Alphabets, I will train it. That alphabet to alphabet link is there, no? Construction tool. Construction rule, I will train it. Core Java trainer. Understood this statement, what I'm speaking now? Now, one program will come. That is known as source code. Why you are calling it as source code? For your project, this is the source. Because my imagination converted in one code came. I will save this code. I must check it, no? Whether this code grammatically correct or not, I must check it. That only compilation. We are compiling the codes or not now? Then I will run it. I will check it. My imagination has been generated there or not. This is all known as a process. The process includes that only. It needs a practice, no? Yes or no, Andy? Yes or no, na? It needs a practice, no? Right. Sir, who initiates this? Language trainer will do the work. I will take the burden. You don't worry, Andy. Be regular to the class first. First step is regular to the class. Second one, read the class in the same day. Go home. I'll speaking something, you'll understand. When you're reading something, some idea may come. You have to read it. My example program will be there. You have to run it. Typing skill will be increased. While you are typing, doubt may come. If not, some knowledge may come. You have to type my program. While I am explaining that program, I'll draw one diagrammatical form. You have to adapt the diagrammatical flow. And you have to understand where the program starts, where the program ends. Based on all this, we'll give an assignment to you. Try it. Then you must try your assignment by your own. This is the process. If you do this process till the ending, why the language will not come? And we are human beings, no? Born intelligence, no, we are. Not artificial intelligence, no. With regular practice, regular reading, regular process, I will train to you. You have to adapt it and practice the same process. Within a short period, you can write your own program, not only target. That's why I'm calling it as process. The process used to construct program is known as programming. Core Java output is student should write his own program. That's the output. Wire written note means make it. The process of converting, analysis and design. The process of converting analysis and design into source code. The process of converting analysis and design into source code is known as programming. I written in a second form. The definition is, you are thinking that very hard, and not hard. You have to follow us. We'll give some tips to you, techniques to you, some diagrams, some flows to make you to educate. We try in many ways. At last, we'll make you to understand the POC also. Concept will come to you. Okay, sir? At last, many students they'll come in the starting day as if like you only. But after 1 month, they'll write their own programs. Now, nobody will ask a doubt to us. First 15 days, I'll be sitting here. Now, the batch and all went no, because they'll be in the frequency. We tune it and track it. Automatically, they'll be flowing on. So, nobody will ask a doubt to us. Very less. Very huge concept is that they'll come. Unless normal programs, they'll write and go. Starting also, many people don't know. First 15 days, many queries will come from the students we know. Right? Once we keep the student trained and keep in the track, he only will rectify and go forward. He understands one process, and in that process, the flow will be going on. Any assignment struck down comes, they'll come to us. Sir, I cannot understand this one. I tried it, error is coming. They'll say, then we rectify them. This is the way and process. Be alert who are really seriously came here, who are sitting in this room very seriously. You maintain that. So no, sir, as if like graduation study I also came here means I cannot help them. Who are seriously committed to enter into this market with a subject. So I will train that process to you to follow us. Finally, your name is programmer. Define programmer. Your name is programmer. Define programmer. The person who writes the program. The person who writes the programs is known as programmer. The person who writes the programs is known as programmer. So these are normal fundamental definitions. I want to highlight that programming process, because many people programming means taking my notebook and typing and coming out of the lab. That is not programming. So many students will say, sir, whatever you typed, it's the same thing I also typed, sir, 3 hours, 4 hours. I typed all the programs. That is typewriting only. Good practice on keyboard, it will be there. Without analyzing, without taking the concept, If we sit for hours also meaningless. If we sit for half an hour also, if we can grasp the concept, if we can grasp the technique, that is good practice. Catch this point, what I'm speaking. Catch this point. If you are not understanding, you have to contact us immediately. Right? Okay. So today one program completed means what you learned from the program, not program. I write Fibonacci series. I'll write it. Not available in the market, no. Matrix multiplication. That program not available in the market, no. Concept in that program, you have to catch it and carry it. Not programs. Don't carry the programs into market. They are not available. Concepts are available. How to control inner loop by using external loop. How to break a while loop by sitting in the switch case by writing one break state. The concepts. Carry that concepts, not the programs. Difference you got it, no? Right. So change your mode of learning first. Right? Don't by heart it and present it, not needed. So try to catch the concept available in each program. If you are not understanding, bring one book and show to us. Sir, what I learned from this program, you can ask me. If you are not understanding, I'll explain it. What is the concept? We return that program to you. Program is not important. Right. Now comes note, NOT note. After writing the program, nothing but source code. After writing the program, nothing but source code. After writing the program, comma, we save the program. We save the program with language extension. After writing the program, we save the program with language extension. We save the program with language extension. Look here. Sir, using analysis, using design, I got one imagination here. I converted this imagination into one source code. Understood this point now, right? Now, while you are writing this source code, you use one language here. Maybe C language or maybe Java. If you use the C language, save this with .c, saying that the code is a C code. No, sir, I use Java. Save with .java. So the programs are saved with language extensions. All have understood this point now, right? The source code we have to save with language extensions. What language you written, that language extension you write it. So we are sitting in Java room now. So we are going to save the program with what extension now? .java. If it is HTML, .html, CSS, .css, script, .js, .sql, something they'll write it or not now. So every language will have its own extension saying that I used this language. Understood this statement now, right? Make it. Example under this. Example, if we write the program as a test, .c means C language. Roughly I'm writing. .cpp means what now? C++. .java like this. .c, .cpp, .java. Right, like this. Now, after saving the program, right? These all points keep in the mind anyway. Analysis, design with one imagination, source code came. The source code I saved with .java, right? What is the next step, sir? So compile this program and execute this program. After saving the program will have two stages. One is compilation, one is execution. Make a statement. After saving the program, look here, my teaching pattern is same process. I'll be speaking, I'll be drawing, I'll be typing. Whatever I spell out, I'll be typing there. Understood now? If you cannot hear properly, you can see the document, spelling is available there. Or small information is available, you can read it. If not, wait after the class, my soft copy will come. These many modes we are giving to you to learn the language. Right? These many modes we provided. Sir, after this also I not yet learned means helpless. I don't know where you will go then. Already graduation completed, hope you came here. Here also if you are not learning, I don't know what is the next level you had it. If any other level, if it is there, you can go and sit there. Hope we feel that this is the last room for learning. After that, working only, no. We feel that this room is the last room for learning. After that, we are feeling that next level is working. Working means applying your knowledge for the constructions. We feel it. Based on that, we cannot make a mistake, no. We only will type it. We only will speak it. We only will draw it. At last, we will send it. All processes we follow to you. So after saving the program, the program will have the following two stages. Compilation process, execution process. After saving the program will have the following two stages. One is compilation process, one is execution process. Right. Right. So we brought one source code. One minute, I'll explain that. I am calling it as one source code generated here. One source code generated roughly. I am writing separately test.c or CPP, means C or C++ program. And this is test.java anyway. So this up one is C program and down one is Java program. For comparison, I'm writing. Okay, right. The first stage of this program is compilation. The first stage is compilation process. The first stage of your programs is compilation. Sir, what is this compilation? Now make a notes. What is this compilation? Make it siding compilation process. The process of checking the program, the process of checking the program constructed according to the rules of language or not. The process of checking the program constructed according to the rules of language or not is known as compilation process. Compilation process. Right. Look here. As a source code writer, as a programmer, you are busy in analyzing or busy in converting the imaginations into one source code form. You'll be writing. Sometimes you may make a mistake. Space may come, comma may come, you'll miss a comma, something, some typing mistake may come. Developers should have a choice of checking them, no? That only compilation. We send our program for the compilation process. In compilation process, we check whether our program constructed according to the rules and regulations or not. The compiler will check it. Generally, when the compilation successful, compiled codes will come out. Make a statement. Here, C, C++ and Java. Generally, students will ask us, sir, why you are writing C++, Java, why you are not writing Python? They'll ask us. Because Java developers, Java trainers never write Python in the book. Don't make it as a negative and again. Right. Many students will think some other and they'll make a negative. Why we never write means we came into market by 1995. Python came recently. When we came into the market, in universities, C and C++ available. So we compare with the C and C++. Because before our language, they are available. Understood this point? After a language, after your language, many people came, no need to compare because they has to compare with you. Difference, you got it or not now? So after you, somebody came means they will compare it. Our other came from C and C++. So we compare 1 or 2 points with C and C++. Other people we never compare because other people came after Java. Because we never compare. Suppose if you take Android, Android depends upon core Java. We never compare with Androids, no? Right? We never compare with Seleniums, no? Because they are all depend upon Javas only. So we compare with C because we depend upon C and C++. C is non-object oriented. C++ is object oriented. From there, some features came out. We took it and came out. That history will write it anyway. So here also we are taking C, C++, Java. In C, C++, and Java languages, we use compiler. Keep in a single quotes. Compiler in compilation process. Compiler in compilation process. C, C++, and Java languages use compiler in compilation process. Underline the term compiler because we are going to explain them. Our notes contains FAQs also. We only write FAQs, note, NOT, note, tip points. Like this, we prepare and come notes. You must read them whenever you find time. Okay, right? Underline compiler and keep it. Right. Here, after compilation process, after compilation process, after compilation process is successful, after compilation process is successful, C and C++ programs generate objective code. Generate objective code. Java programs generate bytecode. Generate bytecode. Underline objective code, underline bytecode. After compilation process is successful, C and C++ programs generate objective code. Java programs generate bytecode. So like this. If you are not understanding in paragraph, I'll present in diagram there. See there. Here, in the compilation here, we use C or C++ compiler. We are going to use it. In this compilation process, we use C or C++ compiler. Here we use Java compiler. We use it. The compiler definition will be given. You have to wait it, right? After compilation process is successful, after compilation process is successful, in C and C++, objective code will come. The source code converted into objective code. Here, bytecode will come. Here, bytecode will come. Here, objective code extension is .obj will come. Here it is .class will come. Here .class will come. These codes by terminology, the source codes by terminology, this objective code and bytecode by terminology, we call it as compiled codes. We call it as, because they crossed their compilation process successfully and they generated objective code and bytecode. Very important interview question is, why in C language objective code is coming? Why in Java bytecode is coming? That's the interview question there generally. So first let me complete that process. Okay, right. After compilation process, C and C++ programs generate objective code and Java programs generate bytecode. It's a theory. Okay, right. Now, once the compilation process is successful, we are sending for execution. Make a heading, execution process. The process of running the compiled codes. The process of running the compiled codes and checking the required output is generated or not. The process of running the compiled codes and checking the required output is generated or not is known as execution process. Is known as execution process. Generally, we started this analysis to generate one output. We keep one output in the mind and we start it. So base, I want to give this output like this. You'll start from there only. At last, the output came or not, you have to check it. That process, we call it as execution process. We call it. In this execution process now, see there, one statement here with a diagram. Now, in execution process, we are sending the compiled codes, means this one. This compiled code I am sending for execution. This compiled code I am sending for execution now. Compiled code is I am sending objective code for execution. Whenever I send this objective code for execution now, I am sending. This is execution. I am sending. This is one execution. Whenever I executed that objective code, internally, the objective code is converted into executable code. Converted into executable code with extension known as test.exe. That objective code internally converted into executable code and the answer will come. All of you understood this point now? The answer will come out. Now, what about our language, sir? That above one is comparison. For comparison, we took it. Okay, right? Now, our language, we are execution process, means execution is going on. Execution. Our execution will happen on JVM. Our execution happens on JVM. What is JVM? And Java Virtual Machine. Our execution happens here. Right? Tomorrow onwards, we are going to search it. Where is that JVM available? And we are entering into course. Right? Deeply we are entering by tomorrow. Right? Okay. Here information is, we are executing our byte code on one virtual machine known as JVM. The JVM will give the output. In core Java, complete chapter for you. JVM internals. What is happening internally? Complete information is there. We are going to give to you. JVM architecture with internal behavior. That one title is there for you. Their complete information will be given to you. So JVM for today, nothing but day one of your syllabus. We are giving information to a student. One objective code came after compilation. We are sending that objective code onto JVM. JVM is giving the result. That's the information to you. Make the 2 points now here. In C and C++ languages, the objective code is converted into executable code and generate result. In C and C++ languages, the objective code is converted into executable code and generate result. Internally, the result will come out. In Java language, the byte code is executed on JVM. JVM means what you said now? Java Virtual Machine. JVM. So how it executes, we are going to explain it. We have to wait it. So in Java language, the bytecode is executed on JVM. So what? Right. So followed by one diagram. There's a diagram I don't know. That diagram, if possible, you draw it. Day one, no? You keep that document with you. There's a diagram. Codes. If we got one clarity on the concept, what we taken, right? Program definition, program stages, compilation means what, execution means what, there one objective code and bytecode. Small information on first day, nothing but day one, syllabus day one. Before the demo classes, who came newly today, I'll repeat it on Saturday. Before that, I'll make the arrangement of that videos to you, then I'll speak it. But today's class, you have to review it and read it because slowly will come inside. Understood now? Slowly will come inside. With all basic collections, we come and write the program. So they are planning to change the room. Actually, you wait for 1-2 days. They're searching for room and they're planning to allocate with adjustments are going on, right? Okay. 1-2 days, they'll arrange a room to you who are facing some problem, right? Okay. Right. So here major interview question is, what is the difference between objective code and bytecode? Generally, they're only platform independent, platform dependent. The concept will come out, right? Okay. So that process, I'll do it by tomorrow to you. First, I'll repeat this 5-10 minutes once. I'll speak general. I took one concept I given to you. Clear, right? Slowly, I'll increase the level. Tomorrow's classes, we start with FAQ. What is the difference between objective code and bytecode? In the process of explaining that objective code and bytecode, we'll give the clarity to the student. What is platform dependent? What is platform independent? The information will be given. While explaining that platform dependent and independent, we enter into your Java software is introduced. Java software. Once a Java software introduced, we write all the versions of Java, we'll write it. So up to there, tomorrow the class ends. That's the concept. Tomorrow, Thursday. Friday, from the Java softwares, we take JDK outside, JRE outside, we take it. We take a FAQ question. What is the difference between JDK and JRE? Right? We'll explain that JDK, JRE. While explaining the JDK, we bring the Java library inside. Java library nodes will come on Friday, right? Once the Java library nodes comes, that JVM internal structure will come. Means layout, what JVM contains, one layout will come. Parts of JVM will come. Just a layout will come. The student will see that layout on Friday. Then on the same day, installation process will come. Installing the software process will come. Okay, right. Then your system will get ready with your installation. Before installation, information will be there. What software, what JDK, what JRE, that all informations will get it already. With that information, will make you to install it. Once installation over, we have to test that software, no, whether program is running or not. Then we start that class object definition will be started. Understood is fine now, right? Then we write one short program and we'll make it run. That's the process. Sir, my program is running, sir, means then we start data types, variables, and methods and increase the programs. That's a technique and pattern. Okay, right? You must be regular. Your duties, frankly speaking, very, very easy and unnecessarily Java means negative to us. Java is the biggest code, hardest code, they'll say, right? Wherever the hard is there, you must be there only because nobody will be there now. Easy means more people will go, right? Hard word not there, Andy. Give me a time to me. I'll simplify it. I'll first remove that phobia, Andy. First phobia, I don't know C language, remove that first. Second one, Java means lengthy code. You remove that phobia. And remaining time you spend here. Daily the discussion, same process will be there. One concept will take it very clearly because I must be clear more than you. Whenever I want to execute one class, I must have a clarity. If a trainer don't have a clarity, my student will be confused. So I'll take one concept and elaborate it. Got it right? Daily same process will be going on. Daily go home and read it. You may understand. If not, doubt will come. When the doubt comes, tomorrow I'll be sitting there. Ask it and come inside. If not, after the class, show the room notes and, sir, what is this? You can ask it. Immediately we can speak it. If I cannot speak to, I'll speak on the dais because repetition will be there. Daily one class before, we'll repeat it. 5-10 minutes, we'll report the before session and we start it. That's the point. Okay, right. Can we take a break for today? Day 1 of syllabus. Okay, right. What I introduced on day 1 to you. Program definition, program stages, definition of compilation, definition of execution, objective code, bytecode introduction. Tomorrow you will get the clarity. What is that objective code? What is that bytecode? What is platform dependent? What is platform independent? These are the points. Right. Can we take a break? Right. Now. So thank you very much for today. Right. Okay.